Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irma Damayanti from PBI SIG A. Today, I will to explain about my proposal that is improving student vocabulary by using Duolingo application at 7th grade junior high school. In this presentation, I will explain the background, objectives, methodology, and expected outcomes of my research. The first, I will to explain about background of study. Okay, I will to explain about vocabulary definition. Vocabulary as defined by Elizabeth 2016 is the total number of words in a language, including those used in specific contexts. It includes both everyday words and specialist terms, serving as the foundation for effective spoken and written communication. At MTS Teladan Gebang, various problems related to students' limited vocabulary have been overlooked. Many students demonstrate a low level of vocabulary mastery, lack motivation, and minimal access to technology-based learning. This issue is further exacerbated by limited exposure to vocabulary and enrichment activities, as classroom instruction tends to emphasize written text over oral practice. Additionally, the use of traditional teaching methods might contribute to students' lack of interest in learning English. Therefore, the researcher employs media such as the Duolingo application to reduce students' boredom and to enhance their vocabulary acquisition. Considering the challenge in improving student vocabulary at MTS Teladan Gebang, the Duolingo application offers a relevant and effective solution as a fun, interactive, and game-like platform. From Monday, 2016, Duolingo helps students practice English in engaging way. Supported by technology, it provides a practical tool to enhance vocabulary and speaking skill. Based on description, the researcher is interested to conduct classroom action research with the title Improving Student Vocabulary Mastery by using Duolingo application at 7th grade junior high school. The research problem is how can the use of Duolingo application improve the vocabulary mastery of 7th grade students at MTS Teladan Gebang. The second is how can Duolingo contribute to improve the vocabulary skills of 7th grade students at MTS Teladan Gebang. The scope of the research. The scope of this research encompasses the 7th grade students of junior high school MTS Teladan Gebang at the primary subject, focusing on emphasizing their vocabulary mastery through the utilization of Duolingo application. The second is students who utilize Duolingo showed notable improvement in their vocabulary test results compared to those who learned traditional methods, indication its effectiveness as an alternative tool for vocabulary development by Rahman 2020. The significance of the study is the first is theoretically. This study contributes to theoretical understanding of vocabulary as question by introducing a technology-based approach to the Duolingo application, offering insight into how digital tools can support language learnings beyond traditional methods. It provides a foundation for future academics exploration of mobile-assisted language learning or ALL, particularly in investigation the impacts of application like Duolingo on various language skill, education settings, and learning. The second is practically. The research offers English teachers a new interactive method for teaching vocabulary using Duolingo to increase student engagement and learning outcomes through a games-like stage-supported experience. For students, the study highlights how Duolingo enables independent and enjoyed learning, promoting better vocabulary retention, shock instant feedback, and motivation challenge. Review a related literature. Vocabulary plays a crucial role in language, encompassing the collection of words and phrases used in the board's oral and written communication. Vocabulary refers to all the words that a person knows or uses in a particular language by Hornby, 1995. Duolingo is a web-based language learning platform that enables independent study through a step-by-step translation focused by process, making it one of the most popular tools for learning English. By Carson 2014 at Yusda et al. 2020. Based on the definitions, indicators of Duolingo use in English learning includes student ability to learn independently, improvement in vocabulary through tension, task activities, participation in app-based activities, and effective use of Duolingo feeders to support engagement and learning. Okay, in here we can see my conceptual frameworks in this thesis. Improving student vocabulary mastery by using application. The first is identifies issues and recycle one observation, and then use of Duolingo application, learning process activities, vocabulary practice, pronunciation, word meaning in context, or self-assessment. And then that is cycle 2, planning, action, observation, and reflection. Research methodology. The research includes the methodology of classroom action research. The researcher will be conditioned in a single cycle. In the event the initial cycle failure, the researcher would proceed with subsequent cycles as revision cycles, starting with the second cycles and continuing accordingly. Time and location. The location of this study is at Junior High School MTS Teladan Gebang. The time in condition this study will be started in the event semester of academic year 2024 until 2025. Research and something subject. This research will be conduction of 7 grades Junior High School MTS Teladan Gebang, North Sumatra. The total number of students is 29 class for student researcher. Chose this class because students in this class had low abilities vocabulary in English listening in class. The researcher have 4 research procedures. The one is planning, the two is action and implementing, observation and reflection. The vocabulary test reliability was ensured through several measures. Firstly, the test primarily consists of objects, items such as multiplication and matching exercises, where answers were clearly defined and unambiguous. This format minimizes scoring subjectively and allows for consistent evaluations across all test takers. The test was conducted individually in controlled settings to minimize distraction and peer influence, allowing for accurate measurements of each student's vocabulary mastery. Test items were selected based on grade 7 learning objective from the 2013 curriculum and reviewed for clarity, relevance, and approaches. This one is how I collect the data tactics. Student learning outcome data is analyzed using the minimum completion criteria (KKM) set by the school by knowledge and description of student learning outcomes. To know whether the test items are relevant or not, the research uses alpha formula. This is questionnaire the researcher used for observation students. This is classic of student test score, and then classifying the questionnaire and observation score. Is the expansions that the results of this research will provide valuable insight for English teachers and contribute to the improvement of teaching strategies in language learning. I sincerely hope this proposal can be implemented successful and bring positive outcomes for both students and educators. Thank you for your attention and support. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.